This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the default font style in Notepad++. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Notepad++. I have Notepad++ opened up now. To change your default font style in Notepad++, you want to go up to the top up here, up to the Settings tab. You want to click on Settings. Then you want to go down to where it says Style Configurator. Click on Style Configurator. Now in the little dialog box that opens up here, in the language area I am on Global Styles. In the Style area I am on Default Style. And off to the right here, you can see the font style section here. Down here you can change your font size, but to change your font style, you want to click this drop down next to font name, and you can choose between any one of these font styles. I'm going to select just any of them at random. I'm going to select this one. Then I'm going to go down to the bottom and I'm going to click Save and Close. That is how to change your default font style in Notepad++. Thanks for watching.